How to send friend request to someone on Facebook if there is no option available. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Facebook application. After that, tap on the profile of the person that you want to send friend request but there is no option. After that, tap on the three dot over here. And now you will see an option of add friend if that is a Facebook user profile. Since I did it in my page, I cannot send the friend request. But if it is a user profile or a personal profile, you will be able to send it just like that. So there will be an option of add friend in that three dot, and you will be able to befriend or at least follow them. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.